In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product feeds in Klaviyo. Whether you're striving to personalize your email marketing campaigns or ensure your subscribers get the most relevant product recommendations, adding product feeds is a fantastic strategy. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your email templates. First, you'll want to navigate to your email template editor. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be building out the structure of your email to include those eye-catching product recommendations. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left panel. You'll find a variety of blocks that you can drag and drop into your email template. These blocks are the building blocks of your email design, helping you lay out text, images, and obviously, products. Among these options, you'll notice the product block. This is precisely what you're looking for. It's the core component that will allow you to showcase products in your emails. To add it, all you have to do is simply click, drag, and drop it into the desired position within your email template. It really is that straightforward. Now, after you've successfully added the product block, you have a decision to make. Will you use a dynamic or a static product feed? Each option serves different needs. If you're leaning towards a dynamic product feed, this is an excellent way to automate product recommendations by syncing Klaviyo with your e-commerce platform. Platforms like Shopify, Square, or Wix can be integrated to dynamically pull product information into your emails. This means Klaviyo will automatically update the products shown based on things like inventory levels or subscriber behavior, taking a lot of manual work off your plate. However, if you prefer more control over what's displayed, or if linking with an e-commerce platform is not on your agenda, you can opt for a static product feed. This allows you to manually curate the products you wish to showcase. It might take a little extra time, but it guarantees you have complete control over product selection and presentation. Once you've decided on the type of feed that best suits your needs, the next step is to start adding your products. Whether you've chosen dynamic or static, this step is about populating your email with enticing options that will engage your audience and potentially drive more sales. And just like that, you've added a product feed to your Klaviyo email template. It's a powerful tool to boost engagement and personalize your subscriber experience. Remember, the key to an effective email is not just the products featured, but how they're presented. So take the time to arrange them thoughtfully. Thanks for following along, and I look forward to seeing the creative ways you apply this feature in your campaigns.